Why didn't you go to school today?
I caught a slight cold today.
I see. Anyways, what are you drinking?
24 herbs.
What's that?
It is a common herbal tea among the Cantonese. A lot of people drink it for medical issues.
Well, I'm glad you aren't affected by the coronavirus.
I was just thinking if there is herbal tea that can help with COVID-19.
Wait, that is actually a very good idea. Didn't you just said 24 herbs can help with your cold? Maybe we can investigate that.
But I don't know anything about herbal drinking.
Why don't we ask Professor Yeung from the Herbal Drinking Development Team more about it?
Sure. Good morning, Professor Yuan.
I heard you have something to ask about herbal drinking. What's the problem?
We are just wondering if 24 herbs can help with COVID-19.
And we can make it as a herbal drink to help people prevent the virus.
This is a good idea. I suggest we can extract the essential herbal ingredients to increase the effectiveness of the medicine. Why don't we go and take a look at some of the herbs in our herbal garden? Then we can carry out experiments to investigate more.
But Professor, can you first explain to us what is COVID-19?
Coronavirus is a disease that is caused by a virus called SARS-CoV-2. It was first discovered in the beginning of 2019. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and fatigue, and some lose their ability to smell and taste.
What about the herbal tea? How does it work?
Herbal teas are beverages made from the infusion of herbs, and many herbs are used as a herbal medicine. Herbal teas can be made with fresh or dried flowers, fruits, leaves, seeds, or roots. They are made by pouring boiling water over the plant parts and letting them steep for a few minutes. The herbal tea is then strained and served.
Does the original formula of 24 herbs contain an effect to inhibit virus?
It sure does.
But the original formula is very long and complicated. We don't have all the needed herbs in the garden.
We should mainly analyze the negative impacts caused by COVID-19 on consumers' behavior and investigate a new 24-taste herbal tea formula, which has a better inhibitory effect than the original formula.
Then that will be our objective of our investigation.
After the main experiment, we need to test the validity of our herbal medicine. This is an HPLC machine system. It can extract the compounds in a certain liquid. Then we can analyze the compounds through a chromatogram in the computer.
We can see that group C contains the most gallic and electric acid, showing that it has the highest validity. After our experiments, we finally got the product. We've added in monk fruit to neutralize the bitterness of the herbal drink. And we hope to sell our products in the markets and introduce our new herbal tea to the public.